infinite complexity, but even the most complex machine can fall apart if a cog is removed. Wilding aims to replace these parts and return the natural world to balance.
Planting is another really good way that you can wild an area. It's really important to have a variety of species and different ages. Wilding through tree planting can be an excellent way of mitigating climate change. You have pine species like this one. These are perennials, which means that they'll capture carbon throughout the entire year.
Letting your garden grow is one of the most beneficial things you can do for our native wildlife, since it attracts anything from insects to mammals.
If you want to attract wildlife to your garden and you don't know how, it's very simple. You can just put up feeders or nesting boxes for various animals such as squirrels or birds. It's important to know how to manage invasive species and how to deal with them. These Cotoneasters smother the plants on the forest floor, so they need to be killed. So why did we need to reintroduce red squirrels to the areas of the UK? There are various reasons, but the most prominent one is the grey squirrel, and they're an invasive non-native species that needs to be gotten rid of to reintroduce red squirrels properly.